On WhatsApp, you can upload a profile photo. If you want to use the same photo from your Facebook profile as your WhatsApp profile photo, you can do that easily. In this video, we'll show you how to set your Facebook profile photo as your WhatsApp profile photo too. You don't need to download the photo from Facebook and then upload it to WhatsApp. With just one click, you can set it directly. To start, open the WhatsApp application. After that, you'll see three dots at the top. Tap on those three dots. When you do that, you'll see the Settings option. Tap on Settings. Next, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo. Then you'll see the Edit option. Tap on Edit. After that, you'll see the Import from Facebook option. Tap on that. You'll now see your Facebook profile photo. If you want to use it, just tap the Done button. Once you do that, your Facebook profile photo will be added as your WhatsApp profile photo. One important thing to note is that the same Facebook account and your WhatsApp number should be linked in your account center. If they're not linked yet, go back. Scroll down and you'll see the Account Center option. Tap on Account Center. Then tap on Profile and Personal Details. Here you can see every account linked to this account center. It's better to add your Facebook account, WhatsApp account, Instagram account, and Meta AI account here. That way, everything stays in one place. To add a new account, tap on Add Account. You can add it from there. Anyway, this is how you can easily set your Facebook profile photo as your WhatsApp profile photo too. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.